Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. Today is There's a Card Thursday, and we're going to be doing a fun, cute card here. This uses the celebration paper foil, the Grapefruit Grove and Lovely lipstick. This is the Lovely lipstick, and it uses the Tufted Embossing folder. So what it uses is we are going to use the Lasting Lilies, or no, not the Lasting Lilies. That was the last one. We're going to be using the Humming Along, the Thank You. Lasting Lilies was the last one I did. And we're using the Humming Along. We are going to use the Memento Black. We are going to be using the Call Me Clover. We've got an 8.5 by 5.5, and then another piece of just scrap. And then we are going to be using the Lovely lipstick. It's 4 by 5.25. We are going to be using some glue dots, some stamping dimensionals, and let me bring this up. You probably didn't even see half of that stuff, did you? And we are going to be using the Big Shot, the Tufted Embossing folder, and the Pretty Labels punch. So the first thing we did this, we are going to run this through the Tufted Embossing folder. So just like that. And we're going to run it through. And what it does is it does this. It's a really great thing. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach this. Now, I attached this with the snail, and as you can see, it's kind of popping off. I don't like this, is usually kind of heavy, especially when it's twisted like this, to use glue dots. But I'm going to try to see how the glue dots work on this. So I'm just going to glue dot the crap out of this. Oh, and I got more glue dots, so you guys don't have to worry about me running out of glue dots. And I got some more of the note cards. Okay, now I'm just going to stamp this thank you right like that, and I am going to punch this out just like that. This is really just a quick and easy card. You could use almost any of the dynamic textured embossing folders. I like the tuft ones. I don't know if you guys do or not, but I do. Yep. Make sure you get it on right. And there you go. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the information and supplies are listed below. I would really appreciate it if you help my business and shop local and shop small business and shop with me on my Stampin' Up site. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.